Are you struggling to convert website visitors into customers? It's time to revolutionize your approach to product demonstrations. With Storylane, you can easily present product demos that empower growth. Loved by over 4,000 sales and marketing teams, it's the ultimate tool for engagement. Excite your website visitors instantly. Increase high-intent leads effortlessly. Announce new product features and build personalized demos in just 10 minutes. Interactive product tours create a unique connection. Allow your prospects to choose their own adventure, guiding them through what matters most to them. What sets Storylane apart? Our deep integrations automatically personalize demos based on individual needs. Boost your inbound lead pipeline with hands-on experiences, converting only the most motivated visitors. Maximize your impact, even offline. Our conference mode ensures your demos make an impression anywhere. Spice up your campaigns, prospects crave product value over case studies. Integrate with marketing tools and engage leads where they are. Capture leads on software marketplaces. Interactive demos yield 3 times more engagement than videos. Make buying easy with Storylane. Chat with our demo experts and discover how over 2,500 companies drive revenue today. Don't wait. Transform your demos and watch conversions soar.